Hi friends, my name is Shiv and you are watching Life Academy. Today we will make a C++ program on Fourier series of a square wave. First of all, we will see some important formulas of Fourier series. The square wave function can be defined as ft is equal to minus a from t is equal to 0 to t by 2 and minus a from t is equal to t by 2 to t. And the Fourier series can be written as ft a naught plus mission an cos n omega t plus mission bn sin n omega t, where omega is 2 pi by capital T. N is an integer and a naught is given by 1 by t integration from 0 to t ft dt, and an is given by 2 upon t integration from 0 to capital T ft cos and omega t dt. N is given as 2 by t integration from 0 to t ft sin and omega t dt. After solving this, we will get A naught is equal to 0, B naught is equal to 0, and Bn is equal to 4a upon n pi. Putting the value of use of A naught, An, and Bn in Ft, we will get Ft is equal to 4a by pi sin omega t plus 1 by 3 sin 3 omega t plus 1 by 5 sin 5 omega t. Let us see the program. Here, first line is hash include iostream is a header file for input-output stream, and cmath hash include cmath is a header file for calling standard math functions, and using namespace std will bring all the derivatives defined in standard to the current global scope. Here we have introduced a class named as Fourier. By class, we mean creating a new data type. Here, our new data type is Fourier. In these brackets, we will define our data type. Here, first of all, we define variables n and t having data type integer. Here, we define another variables p omega, a for amplitude, s for sum, fs for function, and time TIMP for time period. Here our class is public, and then we'll define a function enter data in this bracket. Here using output operator and insertion operator, we display the output, enter the value of n, and then using input operator we will get the value of n. Similarly for time period, a for amplitude and t for time. Here we define a function named as calculate. In this bracket we will define how this function works. You can see in the formula we want to calculate ft for a by pi sin omega t plus 1 by 3 sin 3 omega t plus 1 by 5 sin 5 omega t up to so on. In the program we will define omega is equal to 2 into 4 a tan 1. A tan means tan inverse 1. Tan inverse 1 is pi by 4. And 4 we have multiplied this term by 4. So 4 and 4 cancel. We will get only pi. 2 pi divided by capital T. Thus omega is equal to 2 pi by T. In this we have used tan inverse 1 so that actual value of pi can be considered. Next, we will use for loop. In for loop, we will calculate the summation. Here, for k is equal to 1 to k less than equal to t, we will increment k by 1. First of all, p is equal to omega into k, that is omega t. Here k, well, omega t. As t will increase, decrease accordingly, k will increase, decrease. In general, we can say p is omega t. And then initially sum is equal to 0, and then we again use for loop. For loop for I is less than n, I increment by 2. We have increment 2 because in the formula we use sine omega t and then sine 3 omega t and then sine 5 omega t. So here sine is incrementing by 2, so we use increment by 2 here. So summation is equal to sum plus sine ip upon I. When I is 1, we will get sine omega t, and when again we come out of this loop, we will get sine 3 omega t, and then similarly for n values. After coming out of this loop, this fs function is 4a sum 4a tan inverse. As you can see in the formula, we have 4a upon pi. Here a divided by 4a tan means pi, as explained above. This is pi, this term is pi, and then 4a sum sine, that is sine omega t plus 1 by 3 sine 3 omega t plus so on. Thus we will get fs is equal to this term. Now we will show the calculated values in our output. C out k. K is that k is time. That is, if we have 25, t is equal to 25, then k is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and up to 25. And then fs value for different t's. Thus we will get the output. Now we have defined our data type for here. Now we use main function. Here we use data type for here and the object series, and then use series dot enter data function to enter the values, and series dot calculate function for calculating the values, and then terminate the program using return 0.